Good day. In this video I'd like to share a little prototype I'm starting to build, and this is kind of an example of how one can fetch live data, like in this case bid and ask prices for a given symbol directly in Google Spreadsheet. And the reason I'm doing this, and as you can see live from this data, I just press the button here and starting the connection between the live feed and the spreadsheet. You can see that the data are similar. So here I'm looking at put in a 5775, which is this guy over here, 153, 153.75, and this should, this should be here, 153, 153.75. They are give or take, the same thing, because they are being fed from the same data source. So the reason I'm doing this is to be able to better calculate the unrealized P&L you may have for a given structure. So if you look for instance at a structure like a broken wing broadfly, if you've made some adjustment, then it becomes difficult to keep track on the P&L when you've done some adjustments, like if you've rolled some strikes, etc. Then all of a sudden it becomes, in the platform in Tasty actually, it's difficult to keep track of what's happening. So if you use other software like OptionNet Explorer, you can keep track of the overall P&L. But from the platform from Tasty, it's actually difficult, because you need to know the price you would need, you would sell it at, and compare it to the price you started with, plus all the given adjustments. So what I'm trying to achieve here is having this kind of live feed connected to transactions and grouping and so on and so forth, so that for a given structure we can tell, okay, this is what the overall either take profit or stop loss is, given the the underlying prices. So I hope this is useful. If you feel this is useful, let me know in the comments. I'll be working on this prototype and see what I can come up with. Thank you.